Hello, my dear students. Welcome back once again. So today we are going to look into ICSE Class 10 Economic Applications Specimen Paper for 2023. Okay, so let's start with it. So here I have with me ICSE 2023 Examination Specimen Question Paper released by CISC. Okay, so that I have already solved it. So today we'll be doing with section A, question number 1 and question number 2. So maximum marks is 100 and all the sections are compulsory. Okay, we have to attempt all questions from section A and any four questions from section B. So today we'll go through section A. Okay, so let us see what all questions are there. Okay, so here it is. It is MCQ and total 20 questions will be here in the form of MCQ, and you have to choose the correct answers wisely. So let's begin with it. So the first question is choose the correct answer and write the correct option. So you will be given the options and you have to write the correct option in the answer script provided. Okay, so let's start with number 1. If tea and coffee are substitutes, then an increase in the price of tea will cause an increase in price of coffee, decrease in the demand for coffee, an increase in the demand for tea, or the option number D, an increase in the demand for coffee. So the correct option will be increase in the demand for coffee. Okay, this will be the correct answer. Now, let us move on to question number 2. Which of the following goods will be considered a suitable example for composite demand? Bricks, tea, milk, and biscuit. So, bricks is the construction material, tea, milk, biscuit, food items. So, the answer is bricks. A is the correct answer. Okay. Now, let us move on to number 3. Which of the following type of capital can be used only for specific purpose? So floating capital, money capital, debt capital, spunk capital. So, so the answer is sunk capital. Okay, sunk capital. So number 4, what will be the following cause? Price in rupees, quantity supplied in kg. Okay, price is 10, quantity is 15, price is 20, then the quantity supplied in kgs is 40. So what will be the curve position? An extension of supply curve and contraction of supply curve, downward shift of supply curve and upward shift of supply curve. So what will be the correct answer for number 4? So the answer will be A, that is extension of supply curve. Okay. Now let us move on to number 5. Which of the following goods will be considered circulating capital? Circulating capital. Computers in the office, factory buildings, furniture used by the workers, water used in the production process. What will be the correct answer? The answer will be water used in the production process. Okay. Water used in the production process. Okay. Now number 6. Mobile phones usually have a dash market, perfectly competitive, monopolistic, competitive, monopoly, monosony. Okay, monosony. So what will be the correct answer? The answer is perfectly competitive. Okay, so different brands are there, so competition is there, perfectly competitive. Number 7. Interest is a factor income 4. Interest is a factor income 4. Number 7. Interest is a factor income for number A, land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. So the correct answer for number 7 will be C, capital. Okay. Now number 8. Number 8. When a straight line supply curve passes through the origin, the elasticity of supply will be unitary elastic, relatively inelastic, perfectly inelastic. So what will be the answer? So it will be unitary elastic. Okay, A will be the correct answer. Now number 9. Which of these taxes is most likely to be progressive? Entertainment tax, goods and service tax, property tax, custom duty. So what will be the correct answer? So the correct answer is property tax. Okay. Now number 10, change in the price of goods. Change in the price of goods. So A, shift the good supply curve but does not cause a movement along with it. Does not shift the good supply curve but cause a movement along with it. Shift the good supply curve and also causes a movement along with it. Neither shift the good supply curve nor causes a movement along with it. So what will be the correct answers? Accordingly, the correct answer will be B. Okay, B is the correct answer. Now number 11. Selling costs are absent in a perfectly competitive market because the goods sold are substitutes, heterogeneous, homogeneous, luxurious. So the correct answer for number 11 is C. Okay, C is the correct answer. Now number 12. To ensure that the citizens of the country have faith in the currency is used by commercial banks, central bank, okay, and Ministry of Finance. Commercial bank, central government, central bank, Ministry of Finance. The answer is central bank, okay, central bank. Now number 13. Dash tax is also referred as tax on honesty. Dash tax. Progressive tax, proportional tax, direct tax, indirect tax. So which one will be the correct answer? The answer will be direct tax. Okay. Okay. Will be direct tax. The next one. Elasticity of supply is measured by. So which one will be the correct option? A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct option for number 14? The correct option will be D. Okay. The correct option is D. I am highlighting it over here. Okay. Okay. Correct option is option D. Okay. Now let us move on to number 15. The central bank instructs the commercial banks to keep more percentage of its time and demand deposit as liquid cash before lending money to investors. This is increase in bank rates, increase in cash credit ratio, increase in statutory liquidity ratio, increase in standard liquidity ratio. So which one will be the correct answer? So it will be increase in this, okay, statutory liquid one. This one is the correct one. Number 16, the major objective of monetary policy is employment generation, maintaining foreign relations, price stability, greater tax collection. So the correct answer for this will be price stability. Okay. The next one, which of the following factors of production has a unique supply curve? Land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. So what will be the correct answer for this? The correct answer for this will be land. Okay. Now, during inflation, the central bank usually decreases bank rate, decreases cash reserve ratio, increases bank rate, buys government securities. So during inflation, central bank usually, okay, this one is the correct, increases bank rate. Okay, increases bank rate. Now let us move on to question number 9. When the price elasticity of demand for good equal, number 19. So which one will be correct? 0, the demand curve is horizontal. 1, the demand curve is vertical. 1, the demand curve is horizontal. 0, the demand curve is vertical. The answer is D. Okay. Answer is D. Now number 10. When the general price level increases by 10% to 20% per annum, then it will be called hyperinflation, running inflation, walking inflation, creeping inflation. So the answer is running inflation. Okay. So this is from question number 1. Now let us go through question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. State two differences between an entrepreneur and labor. Answer is, you can say, entrepreneurship involves risk bearing, but labor does not bear risk. Second one, entrepreneur has to have innovative ability. Labor may or may not have this ability. So you have to draw a neat diagram to show the extension supply curve. So this is the diagram. Okay. Now number three, explain the effect of inflation on the fixed income group. Answer is the money income of the fixed income groups, the real income, that is purchasing power of the money income, falls during inflation. Hence, inflation adversely affects this group of people. And number four, give two advantages of payment by checks. Payment by checks. So money can be withdrawn by checks without any restriction on amount or number of withdrawals made. Checks proves to be legal evidence in case of any disputes between check issuer and the check receiver. And the last one, define efficiency of labor. Efficiency of labor is relatively term and is measured by comparing the productive capacities both quantitatively and qualitatively of all workers for all the categories of workers. Okay, so this was question number 1 and question number 2. And from section B, you have to attempt 4 questions. That will do it in the next video. So if you find this video useful and helpful, please share among your friends, and please do comment, and please, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and all the best for your board exam. Okay, 2023. Thank you very much. Bye bye.